Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! Hopefully you have had a wonderful New Year so far. So this will be the very first unboxing of this New Year. Okay, hopefully you'll enjoy it. Let's get to it. Da-da! Yes, this is my actually I haven't shopped for Gucci for a while, as I have been debating which bags I really want to go for. So this would be the one that I chose. Sometimes I feel the pricing of their bags is still reasonable compared to other luxury bags, so that's why I feel this one is good fit for my day-to-day use. And then also I feel it's not that as expensive as the other ones. So yeah, let's not get you wait too long. Okay. The box. Okay, so I didn't order this online, but I've been compare pricing used or on other website, on the official website, Gucci website, and I was shopping out in the store one day. I just feel like, hey, it looks good, and then why don't I just buy one? Box. Okay, let's see. Yeah. You see this? Yeah. Okay. What's in it? I give you guys a minute to comment on below and then see, can you guess it? Your minute's up. Yeah, they had to I had to let them open it just to check and everything. The leather and everything looks good. So this was brand new, just got to the store. Ta-da! Take in. Yeah. Yeah, this is the Gucci Marmont. Is small size in the black leather and then also gold hardware. Smells very good too. So yeah, it has, you can definitely crossbody this this bag too. But let's open what's look like inside, and also I will wear this and also show you guys what I can put in. Okay, inside has some feelings. Okay, insides look like this. Show you guys very quick. Okay, and then you have, it seems has another little pocket here. You can put the pockets right here. Zipped compartment. It's pretty roomy. What's inside seems has like a suede kind of lining, not the cloth the one though. It's kind of suede leather or fabric. And this is all leather. and looks pretty good. And this is their open the locks this way. Close very easily, and then you can open the lock. Here you can open the lock at the bottom like this. So I can open this chin. See how that chin lined up like this. You can do this way, and then also do this way. Okay. So what can I put inside this box? This bag, sorry. I normally have, I have my keychain. And then I also have my card holder. And then also have a sort of like a makeup pouch. And what's in here is more of, you know, lipsticks and lip balm, and some perfume, and then also some of like even I have an eye drop for my eyes also, but things like that I usually carry. Also, you have other stuff you can put in here. Like hand sanitizers and other, maybe also, you know, compact, your foundation compact. So I put right here. And then of course I have my phone. It's not the big iPhone Pro, but the regular size, not the Plus. So here is how it looks like. It all fits in perfectly. It's a little bit snuggy, but still fit. You can also arrange your card holder, if you have any card holder or things like that, vertically, so that you have maybe even more room left here for anything, small things like tissues or hand sanitizer that you want to bring. I think that's also a good option. So right now I don't have it, so I can just lay it back down. Does it close? Yeah, it does close. Yeah, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this for you. Just 1 second, let me wear these. You can make the chin longer. Yep. And then make cross over the shoulder. Yep. You can also shorten the chin, wear over the shoulder and under your arm. The length looks just right. Yeah, you can also carry it like this. It's also very stylish. Or you can wear it cross body. It's right on your hip, my hip, so it's the right size for me. Yeah, this is the bag, and then what the sales social is saying that how you protect this kind of bag, just don't use any sort of too chemical kind of wipes around it. You can use a damp cloth, just the soft ones, to undust a little bit, and then over the, I think over the years, actually this leather will grow even more shining the more you use it. Yeah, so yeah, so this is my bag for this is the bag, and then this is the first unboxing of the year. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So if you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.